Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Getting back to the topic rectification of errors, the errors which we commit while passing through the journal or ledger or transferring the accounts to the trial balance or after the preparation of the trial balance while going for the preparation of your final accounts, then we need to rectify such mistakes. So here I am taking another case where it's given a machine of rupees 10,000 has been purchased, but the entry has been made in the purchase book. What has happened? That the given person have purchased a machinery, so this purchase of machine should be debited with your machine account. Debit what comes in, what was coming in over here, that was the machine, right? So debit what comes in machine account, debit to vendor account, because there is nothing mentioned over here that machine was purchased through cash payment. So vendor account, the giver, credit the giver. ठीक है, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट द गिवर. द एंट्री शुड हैव बीन machine account debit to vendor. This was the correct entry. But what it said, that entry has been made in the purchase book. Rather than debiting machine account, which account they have debited, that is purchase account debit, and vendor have has again been given credit over here, right? So in the incorrect entry, the incorrect part was purchases account, whereas the correct part was machine account, but the vendor has been given a right credit. So whatever is done right should not be changed, right? In the rectifying entry we will not change our vendor account. Rather, the rectifying entry should be only for the machine and purchases. Now in the correct entry we need that machine account should be debited, and what we did wrong was purchase had been debited, so now purchase should be reversed, right? So the rectifying entry would be machine account debit to purchases account. Why we have credited purchases account? Because it was debited wrongly, and to make it correct now it need to be credited. So the rectification entry becomes machine account debit to purchases account with rupees 10,000. Now, how this point is to be dealt in the final accounts preparation, if this would have been given in the adjustment, that there is one adjustment where machine was purchased but has been debited to the purchases account. So how this adjustment is to be done? As per the adjustment, now machine should be given an addition of rupees 10,000, because you know all assets carry debit balance. So here machine should be added with rupees 10,000, and purchases normally have debit balance, but here purchases have been credited. So that means from the purchase account we need to deduct rupees 10,000. So while the preparation of the final accounts in the trading and P&L account, from the purchases we will deduct the machine purchase. That why the purchase of machine has been included in the purchases, it need to be deducted, but at the same time it should be added to the machine in the balance sheet on the asset side with the new machinery purchase for rupees 10,000. So what we are going to tell you over here, that whatever adjustments are there, whatever rectifications you are making, you have to follow the double entry system. So the adjustments also, so in the final accounts where purchases have been credited, it would be deducted from the purchases but added to which account? That is your machine account in the balance sheet, right? Thank you. Accountitude, keep scoring.